I didn't see it until after. There's another one, another one. Keep moving forward, Dad. Keep moving forward. There's more. That's what Tiny was on. Good girl.
Test.
Mic check with the dog barking in the background. Here. Come on here.
We are in north central Kansas, hunting little creek bottoms for bobwhite quail. I'm on one side of the river and Dad is on the other. Jesse back there doing his thing. Weather is perfect. Off we go.
I didn't see it until after. There's another one, another one. Keep moving forward, Dad. Keep moving forward. There's more. That's what Tiny was on. Good girl. Earl, here. There they go. Got one. Oh, it's on the other side of the river. So's the Covey. Earl! Here! It was the Hail Mary of Hail Marys. Well, we've been walking these creek bottoms and Tiny locked up on the side and pushed this covey of quail. And I shot one of them going away. The problem is it's on the other side of the river and the covey actually landed right on the other side too. So we're gonna figure out how to get over there. Earl, here! Whoa, that didn't work. A lot for a quail.
Oh, it'll be 22.
No, it wasn't. Good boy, Earl. Come here, come here. Nice spot. There we go. Northern bobwhite quail in Kansas. That just leaves one more quail left, the elegant quail down in Sonora. These are little butterball quails to survive the winters here. We're in the covey, see if we can't get a couple more out of it here. But that's awesome. Where you at? Okay, I see you. Dead bird! Dead bird! Arrow, 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 arrow. Arrow, arrow, come, come. Arrow, come. You see it? This way? We got a male and female bobwhite quail. We had to cross the river. They jumped early in front of us and landed on the other side. I made a decent shot on one, but of course it landed on the other side of a 20-foot river. So we crossed on the logs, got the dogs over, and then bumped the covey again. We're gonna head back to the other side and continue along here. This is perfect quail habitat right here. Covered in the grass. There was no way we were finding that one. Earl found the first bird I hit, and it was covered in the grass without the dog. There was no way we were going to find this guy. Things were in the flippin' barn. They were in a barn here. They were inside of a barn. Okay. Can attest, they were in a barn, right?
They were.
Yeah.
About a dozen of them.
My infamous story, I had back in, it'll be the early 70s, I had a friend who came down to Oceana County from the UP, and he was used to hunting snowshoes. And at that time we had a lot of cottontail. And our favorite place to start the hunt was in an abandoned barn. And everybody'd pick an old window, and you'd throw something in there and they'd go everywhere.